Good afternoon to Mr. Andrew and all my fellow friends. My name is Sean Kashin, and today I'm going to present about the cultural difference between USA and Malaysia. There is visible and invisible culture in between USA and Malaysia. We can see that Americans tend to be punctual. However, Malaysia, there is no time equivalent for Malaysia. The second one, Americans tend to use first name. However, for Malaysian, they usually call their elders or ages by pakcik or makcik. And last but not least, this is the way how they greet each other. By American, they hug each other and kiss on the cheek. For Malaysian, they only shake hand with who they respect or business partner. Next, I would like to talk about the power distance. We can see that Malaysia is a high power distance country and United States is a low power distance country. In terms of decision making, this can affect the organization decision making and cause the way spoken and unspoken vary between two cultures. We can see that this is a high power distance which the employees, the decision making made by the authority, who has the authority. Next, individualism versus collectivism. Malaysia is a collectivism country which they usually use we. For United States, they are individualism country which they use me. This can affect the company motivation in terms of the reward which is being categorized. This is the individualism. They tend to receive award based on their individual performance. But for collectivism, they tend to receive award based on the group, shared equally. Next, neutral versus emotional. Communication is a big challenge which lead the problem of physical distance, such as face-to-face. We can see that the slide, this one, is different people from different culture. How they perceive things, this is how they perceive things. They could perceive differently from different perspective. Communication can also affect the relationship, which in order to create trust. Next, sequential time versus synchronous time. Malaysia is a synchronous time country, which they can handle several tasks at once. However, USA is a sequential time country which they can only handle one task at once. The clock here is the way how they perceive time is different from different culture. This can also affect the style of leadership, which based on their leader behavior. And in conclusion, we need to respect each other culture's difference, and this is the recommendation. We can create a team meeting, which in order to give different people from different cultural backgrounds to understand more about other people's background, such as can create icebreakers, to know the expectation, in terms of the working style. So, any question?
Have you ever experienced cross-cultural difference in any environment? What did you learn from it?
I have been experienced to work with multicultural people from a company. The thing that I have learned from there is I can learn the different culture between different nations, such as one day my colleague told me that what a shame. Then I was thinking what did he talk about? Then after that I only know the meaning of the word is unfortunately. Okay, so any question? Any further question?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.